What would you do if your business could run itself? I want you to really think about that because this is a reality now. The amount of power that we have at our disposal is ridiculous. So what I'm going to show you in this video is not only how I've automated my business, but I'm also going to show you how I've done so in addition to give you the system for free. 100% for free. And you can take it, you can run with it, you can rebrand it, you can sell it, doesn't matter. But what we have here is what I've coined the CenterMind system. And what this is a methodology that all stems from your data. All right, CenterMind, central mind. Okay, you can watch my previous video where I kind of break down this a little bit more in depth. But basically, it's just taking all of your data, putting it into a file system, giving life to said file system so that your files can communicate with each other, and then plugging in AI agents to said file system. And then what we have here is a UI to visualize what is going on in your file system. So currently, at the time of recording this, Claude Code is the best bang for your buck. It's incredibly powerful, and you get a ridiculous amount of value for only $200 a month if you opt in for the highest tier. But the beauty of this, right, is let's say Claude Code isn't the best in a month. Google obviously is a really big player. So maybe they'll come out with something down the road that's groundbreaking. You can you can just swap. Take Claude Code out, plug in whatever AI agent is cutting edge, and it doesn't change anything. That is the beauty of owning your data. You're not tied to one software. You're not tied to one large language model. You're not tied to one platform. You own your data as you should, and you can build onto it however you see fit for you, your projects, or your clients. So real quick, I'm just going to run you through how I've been able to automate my business, and I'll walk you through how you can do it yourself and give you the code and everything you need so that you can get started and ride this wave of ridiculous autonomous power. So you can see I have here a nice little UI. So my dashboard is a full overview of the entire business. So key metrics right here that populate in real time. And I do want to preface as well that everything that is built with this is Supabase, Cloudflare, and GitHub. That's really all you need, plus whatever AI agent that you're using, or if you still code by hand for whatever reason, you can do that. But all of these platforms, aside from Claude, is free. It's free. You can watch my last video as I break everything down. But you only really need a powerful AI agent to get this to work ridiculously well. So you can see I have all my metrics, like I said, but I also have all of my, let's call them arms of my business. I've given them life. So what I mean by that is I have, I made them name themselves to make it a little easier, but I have my CMO, who is in charge of marketing, Nadia, and then I have Victor for finance, the CFO, the COO, the CRO, CSO, CPO. So all of these are backed by their own file system. They have their own personality, they have their own objectives, and they have their own workers. So I'll cover that in a bit, but I can see all of my workers right here and also here as well. So you can kind of see the hierarchy of how everything works. So there's me up top. There's what I call the alpha, which is my Claude Code instance on my machine, which has all my secret keys and everything to run my business, right? And then I have Sovereign, which is like my digital counterpart. So he's like the orchestrator. He's the CTO and I guess if we're talking titles, he's the CTO and the president. So I brainstorm with him, I talk with him, he orchestrates things, and he basically runs the show, right? With my guidance, obviously. But everything else is broken down, like I said, into different arms, different aspects of sales, marketing, finance, legal, operations, product, strategy. And then I have operators, which are basically like the developers for front end, back end, mobile apps, everything. And so how this works is I come up with an idea, whether that's off the top of my head or via brainstorm, and then we just delegate tasks. We delegate to workers. So I want you to think of a company, like $1 billion company, right? Each different person in that company, especially once you get to a C-suite level, they manage different arms. So yes, I could have, and I did at first, make everything available to Sovereign. He was in charge of the finance. He was in charge of the legal. He was in charge of operations. He was in charge of the development, the content, everything. But the problem with that is even though technology is extremely powerful, if you can condense and concentrate attention and power, it's a lot more effective if you were to just hand everything to one agent. That's a weird example, but what I've done is I've hosted multiple Claude Code instances on my VPS server. So yes, each one of my C-suite executives is a Claude Code instance on my VPS server, in addition to the operators. So, and Sovereign as well. So Sovereign is an Opus model. The C-level executives are Sonnet models, and then the operators, the builders, are Opus models as well. So if I need something done, I tell Sovereign, he knows exactly where to send that task, and each arm of the business, like I said, has its own file system that's shared in the CenterMind ecosystem, mind you, and it just carries out its task autonomously. And so when we get into the realm of cron triggers and directives and all this other stuff, the CenterMind is fragmented enough to where it operates as an individual piece of the larger system. It's alphabet soup, and I apologize, but bear with me here. This is a lot. There's a lot that goes into this, and I'm extremely passionate about this because this is changing my life in real time, and the amount of work that I put into this is unfathomable. I'm surprised I still have a good hairline because of how much stress this shit has caused me, but it's yours. I just want to walk you through this so you know how to utilize it. And the beauty is that I'm giving you the code. I'm not selling you a software or anything. I'm giving you the source code so you can take this, you can run with it, and you can change it however you want. But the fundamental principle of how this works is obviously your data, but then also something that I've coined the SCP, which is a means of, it stands for Sovereign Context Protocol. It's similar to MCP, which is like the Model Context Protocol, which is a UI for AI agents to interact with applications. Whereas SCP is a means for AI agents to interact with data in file systems. So it doesn't matter, again, what AI agent you plug into your CenterMind system, it will know what's in the files, what files pair well with those files, what skills to use with said files, et cetera, et cetera. It gives context to the data without it actually having to read the data to save on context. So you don't have to explain things over and over, and you don't have to burn through all your tokens. But as you can see, like, we have the intelligence tab, which is an individual chat with each of my executives. And every single morning, if we go to schedule, we have the CRO daily report in the CRO tab. So he has his objectives that he needs to look at, all of the key metrics with our ads, the impressions, the amount of leads we get, etc. But then I also have a chat interface to chat with this Claude Code instance wherever I want. Okay. And same with the CMO and the CFO and CLO. So the beauty of this, not only can I just talk to my business for, let's say, finances, for example, if I want to talk about how much we're spending on our subscriptions versus how much we're making, but I can, like, all of the executives, in addition to Sovereign and myself, can communicate. Like, they can communicate with each other because they share the same file system. It's just a little bit more fragmented, right? So every arm of your business has a brain that's within one giant brain. It's incredibly powerful. And then obviously we have a database for everything, including our clients and their metrics. We have our revenue tab with all of our pipeline and leads and money coming in. Then we have our marketing tab, which stems from all the content that we create, all the analytics, because it's connected to my Instagram and my Facebook. Yeah, I still need to polish a few things. Still need to polish a few things, but you get the gist of it. Finance, obviously, everything regarding finances is in here. Then we have the products, all my products in here. Still need to clean this up. Research, etc., operations, directive, like literally everything around your business is in here. And then I have this little cool fleet chart diagram thing that I can go in and see in real time what actions are being taken. And yeah, we hit some snags earlier. I haven't really messaged them since, but I can see the business operate in real time. It's incredibly powerful. And especially if you connect this to Telegram, as I have done, you can talk to them. You can talk to your business anywhere in the world. This is the future. So you don't even really need a UI. It's getting to the point where you can just talk to your business as long as it has sufficient data and it knows what tasks to carry out in what order. But it's getting to the point where you can just talk to your business, tell your business what to do, and it'll do it. It's getting absolutely nuts. So anyway, yeah, enough of this. I'm sorry if you guys are skipping around because you don't like to hear me yap. but actually, no, I'm not sorry because this is badass. But I'm going to show you how to get started so you can build your very own CenterMind system for you or your clients. So if you're in the community, just go to the CenterMind blueprint right here, and you'll have this little downloadable that will walk you through the entire process. And again, it's 100% free. So make sure you download this. And if you're not in the community for whatever reason, just go to tyronbarney.com/resources. And then you can just get the CenterMind blueprint right here. Just put in your information so I know you're not a robot, and you can just download it, get the PDF. Or if you're a super nerd and you know how to do everything, you can just get the source code on GitHub right there. You're welcome. But first, we need to make sure that you're set up for success. And if you watched my last video, like I mentioned before, all of this stuff right here, aside from Claude, is free. So Supabase for the memory and GitHub for the blueprint, for the code, for managing versions and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, just make sure you have all this stuff. If you need help setting up a Supabase, just ask Claude. It's really not that difficult. I might make a video on it if a lot of you still have trouble, but come on, it's not that difficult. You can literally have Claude take over your computer and do it for you. And then another honorable mention that I didn't put in here is Cloudflare. If you want to host your website or software in the cloud for free, Cloudflare is free. So yeah, there's that. So step one is just download the files. So this will take you to GitHub. So all you'll need to do is go to this little green button, make sure you're on, CenterMind blueprint right here, and just go down to this little code, and then you can just copy this right here, and then just go into Claude Code or whatever AI agent platform you're using. So then we'll just paste that link, and then we'll just say, I want to build this for insert your business name here. And then you can also, if you're extremely lazy and efficient, mind you, you can just drag that PDF that you just downloaded right here and then do that. So now Claude is going to read the entire PDF right there. And then it'll just tell you what it needs. If you already have your Supabase credentials set up, if you already have your Git account set up, if you have everything already set up, which you should, and you can see it's asking for a business name. So we'll do Tyron Barney Tutorials. Then 2 is what the business does. We create tutorials on YouTube to help people conquer AI and live the best possible existence while doing work that fulfills them from anywhere on the planet. And then where to clone it. This is where do you want these files to reside. So if you're in Claude Code, you can just go to whatever file that you want these files to reside in. The desktop default for me is right here. So if this is fine with you, if you just want this to be on your desktop, or if you have a specific file, just tell it. And then Supabase, if yes, just paste the project URL and anonymous keys, and you'll be good. If not, it'll clone it, customize now, and then you can run the migration yourself. Really doesn't matter. Yes. So then we'll just do this, and then we'll just let him cook. So what he's going to do, I don't know why I'm calling Claude a he, but what Claude is going to do is it's going to pull all of that code from the GitHub repo. It's going to pull the CenterMind framework, and then it's going to tailor that to the information that I gave it. And the caveat is here, this is important. If you opened your Claude Code instance in your file system that you already have, it should have enough context already to personalize everything to your business. So you can see cloning it into the current directory, customizing the owner.md/todo.md and the theme. So this system is 100% yours now. So you can customize it however you see fit, whether that's colors, logo, naming convention, functionality, whatever, it's yours. You can do whatever you want. And I'm going to continue to add functionality to this as I build out my own CenterMind system, because there's like literally endless possibilities. I think one of the next things in the roadmap for me personally is a fitness tracker so that I can stop using Google Gemini for my workouts at the gym. I'll just have everything in my CenterMind system that will track my workouts all from one spot. And then I can build a UI specifically for that. That's actually going to be a fun video because I'm going to build a fitness app within my CenterMind system. And obviously I'll give that away to you guys too. So yeah, we'll just let this cook and we'll see what it does. So now all we'll need to do is just input our email here. And so now it's going to audit all of the processes for your business or the business in which you are building this for. And of course, it's building this in real time, so it's going to refresh. But basically, you're just going to answer and check off all the questions, and it's going to customize this for you or your clients. So you can see what all do you need. So scheduling and calendar management, inventory tracking. Let's see. We can select all. That's good. We'll do some of that too, and then we'll go to sales. Definitely need some lead qualification, some follow-up sequences, CRM updates, then the marketing tab. We need all of the marketing, customer support. Obviously, yeah, that's all important. Finance, yeah, we'll do all that. Development, of course, yeah, we'll just do it all. And then AI mapping. So now it's going to take all of the stuff that we selected, and it's just going to tell you whether it's going to be tied to an AI agent or if it's going to be tied to a automated pipeline. So you can just kind of scroll through here, double check everything, and then we'll just go design architecture. And so this right here just depends on your infrastructure. If you have the $20 Claude plan, I would just go with, solo operator. If you have, multiple Claude Code instances, or if you have a plan that can support multiple Claude Code instances, you can go with, enterprise grid. This is what I have, but I'm spending $200 a month on Claude. So just keep that in mind. So then we'll just go calculate. So now it's going to give you a little breakdown of all of your savings, especially if you have a massive team or if you plan on having a massive team. This will save you a lot of time. And if you are anything like me, or if you've been through situations where you've worked with friends and had to fire them because they're incompetent, this will save you the trouble of having to go through that shit. So now it'll give you a little breakdown of everything just to kind of show you how much you're going to save. And so while we did that, Claude was busy building over here. So now all we'll need to do is just give it the Supabase information for our database, because we need to store our data somewhere. Unless you just want to use it on your file system. If you have a Mac Mini or something that's going to be running 24/7, you can get away with that. For me, and what I would recommend is just using a database like Supabase, because it's free to a certain extent and you own your data. Ideally, I would recommend both. So once you drop that information, it'll cross-reference the blueprint that you just filled out. Continue without Supabase for now. Just go to the UI. So now, once you fill that out, it'll give you a little overview of everything. It'll give you a little 90-day implementation roadmap, in addition to some other metrics that you can entertain. But now we'll just go launch my CenterMind. So now you can go through here and just kind of go over to the Claude Code section. And so now you can just copy this prompt, or you can download the entire blueprint JSON file, and then you'll be good. And then another thing too, real quick, is this memory section. If there's like any brain dump that you want to give to your AI agent or your CenterMind system, you can just put it in right here, and then this will be your memory.md file, basically the memory system for your AI agent, or rather your CenterMind system. But I'm all good, so I'm just going to copy this prompt, and then we'll go. All right, and now we have our CenterMind UI. And yeah, it looks a little different from mine, but that's the beauty of it. You can customize this however you want. You can add more functionality, you can remove some functionality, you can rebrand, like I said 1,000 times at this point. This is completely yours. So hopefully you were able to follow along. If you had any questions, or if you ran into any troubles that Claude couldn't answer, be free to go into the community and tag me in a post, and I'll be in there. I can answer your questions and we can get you going. So yeah, I'm excited to see what kind of stuff you guys build with this technology. Feel free to share, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, peace.